Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. So yes, today I'm here with another cooking video. I thought of sharing my easy and quick recipe of chicken tikka pasta. In the beginning, I have listed all the ingredients that I have used. I'll be using some chopped garlic, onions, capsicum and chicken. For spices, I'll be using cumin, salt, black pepper, oregano and chicken tikka masala. Now let's get started with preparing our pasta. So here I have taken 4 tablespoons of oil in a pan. You can add up all the veggies according to your choice. It's totally on to you. Here I am adding up garlic. And here I am going to saute it up for 4 to 5 minutes and then I'm going to add up chicken into it. So guys, this recipe is very easy, simple and delicious. Gets ready in approximately 30 minutes. In summers, I mostly prefer to make easy and quick recipes as it's very hot. And these kind of recipes are easy, simple, quick and delicious. And yes, getting back to the recipe, here I am adding up chicken. After adding up chicken, I'm going to cook it for 4 to 5 minutes so that all the aroma of garlic goes into it. And yes, here I am mixing it well. And yes, when the chicken starts changing its color, I'm going to add up all the spices I have mentioned at the beginning. Mixing it well again. And this is what it looks after mixing all the spices. And now here I'm going to add up onion into it. And gonna mix it well again. After mixing it up, I'm going to add up vinegar and soya sauce. And yes, all the quantity of what I have used is mentioned in the beginning. After adding up vinegar and soya sauce, I'm going to cover it up and leave it for 4 to 5 minutes. After that, I'm going to add up some hot sauce, chili garlic ketchup, garlic mayo, and some normal ketchup into it. I'm going to mix it well again. And yes, these are my choice of ingredients. You can add whatever you like. After adding up all these ingredients, I'm going to give it a good mix. And this is what it looks like. And after that, I'm going to add up some tomato puree into it. Going to mix it well again. This is the final result and our pasta sauce is ready. And separately, I have boiled 1 packet of penny pasta. Here you can see my sauce is ready. Now I'm going to add up all this pasta into the sauce, mixing it well. So while boiling pasta, you have to add up 1 tablespoon of salt into it. And after cooking, you can add up oil into your pasta. So it will not stick to each other and it will be easy for you to mix. And after adding up all the pasta, I'm going to add up some capsicum to give it a crunch. I prefer adding capsicum in the end so the crunch factor is there while you eat it. And yes, here is the final result of how my pasta looks like. Easy, quick, simple and delicious. So guys, do give this recipe a try and let me know in the comment section how do you feel about it. And this was about it from today's video. Hope you like it. If you did, do give it a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe. If you have any question, ask me in the comment section. Till next time, take care and bye-bye.